and good morning everyone. It's the Traveling Shus. I got another episode coming at you from Magic Kingdom. I'm going over, I haven't rode the TRON little overlay with all the red yet, so I'm going over there to check that out and see what else we can get after. But I'm trying to be just a quick trip. But I was looking at the queue time and it's gone from like 60 minutes to 80, so we'll see what's going on when we get over there. But it's monorail time. So I saw a red one earlier. Now I'm seeing like a lime green and gold. No yellow guy yet. I like the yellow one, it's my favorite color. Alright, so looking at the app right now, it's saying 65. So 65 minutes now. I think cool. Time to go to the Magic Kingdom. Holder entrance today. How exciting. I love using this one. Alright, we made it through the monorail. I'm through the gate. As you saw, they had the pass holder entrance open today. And I am heading towards TRON. The last I checked, it was a 60-minute wait. When I checked this morning, when I like woke up and everything else today, it's been like 85. So I just got this amazing view of the castle while I'm rushing over to Tomorrowland to go check out TRON and this new overlay. I haven't rode it yet, like I was saying, so I know it's been around for a little bit, but I hear it's ending soon, so I'm going to go check that out and get a sick ride POV. So let's get after it. So right now I'm just walking through the park today on this nice January 8th. It's not too crowded today. There's definitely people here, but I wouldn't say it's shoulder to shoulder packed. I'm not sure if this is the quickest way to TRON, but this is how I'm going. Going through the Tomorrowland Terrace, and then I'm gonna go past there, and then head towards it. So, look, they still have some of the Christmas stuff up, which I think is kind of crazy, because I always felt like they really tried to turn this around quickly. Alrighty, walking into Tomorrowland. I don't know how you guys feel about this, but I feel like during the holidays, I don't really come over to Magic Kingdom because it's so busy. But today, rushing over to TRON, right over there. Not far now. It's a little busy over here, but like still, look, like over there, there's just empty pockets. I remember, you know, right before I stopped coming to Magic Kingdom before the holidays, it was just packed with people everywhere. So, nice to see. That show orbiter's going. I just saw the people mover fly by. There it goes, the people mover. They still have the gateway going. The Joffrey's line's not too long today. It's good stuff. It's good stuff. How about Space Mountain? See what I mean? Joffrey's line's not even that deep. It's a good day to be at Magic Kingdom. Space is only 40. I just looked at TRON, it said 65, so we'll be there soon. Alright, so I'm in the line. It says 65, so I'm walking. I double checked there's no single rider. I know what some of you may be thinking. It's not dark outside. It looks better at night. That's okay. I might come back and do it again. But I just really wanted to come and make sure I got to ride it once, and I knew during the daytime it would be the least busy. And there it is, the queue line. So we're gonna wait a little bit. Luckily for you guys, you'll like see this, and then all of a sudden I'll be on the ride. Personally, I'm probably just gonna play some Catan in line. So I'll see you guys on the other side. Wow, it's that popular, huh? This right here, 414. Okay. Try this. Okay. 414, 414. Alright, so we just got through the lockers. We're standing here at the front. Almost there. Ask for the front row. Why not? Here we go. Front row. Here we go.
Come on in, grab those handlebars. Yeah. Alright. Is it recording?
It is. Hello. Have a good one.
Users, prepare for upload sequence. Remember, hold on, keep your head up, and face forward. Detecting malicious code, no concern.
I am Master Control and have taken over. Your new directive, spread my code throughout the grid. Do so or be derezzed. Launch in 3, 2, 1. Grid is now mine.
Woo! Negative. Malicious code neutralized.
No!
Great work, Team Blue. Your run helped us track and eliminate his program.
Crazy. That's crazy.
Users, watch your step as you dismount an exit. Be sure to collect your belongings.
Exit to the outside of the bikes. Follow the arrows on the ground.
Thank you. Have a great day. All right, 414. Woo. That was awesome. That was sick. This cool green bike here. Enterprise. So that was a sick ride. So it took us about 52 minutes. It was posted 65. So not terrible, but that was awesome. I don't know how that POV turned out, but hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Here comes one. And that ride was pretty fun. The front row is definitely worth it. I had to wait just one train in order to get the front row, so would recommend. So I'm looking at the app here, trying to find out what to do next. Dumbo. So let me Kingdom. Alright. It's all not really that busy. Should we go do, you know, it's been so long. I think I'm gonna go do a surprise. I'm gonna show you guys when we get there. So this wasn't necessarily my surprise. I was thinking about going on Astro Orbiter, but I told myself that this was less than 30, I'd come on this one, so we're gonna do this. This is good. Not too bad. Alright, so we just jumped at the single rider line just because why not? So we'll see how long this takes, but it shouldn't take too long. So far I've been in line for about 5 minutes.
You can go ahead of me if you want, because I'm going with her and there's no one in front of me.
Okay, sounds good. That's weird that happened.
I know, there wasn't another person. Yep, I'm ready.
Okay. Here we go. Oh. We're on the, we went to the right. Mountain. 5-minute wait, single rider line. We'll take those all day. So now we're just heading back on the long journey back to Tomorrowland. Okay, so that was a success, I would say, over here in Tomorrowland. We checked out Space Mountain and we got Tron done. It's been about an hour and 15 minutes since I got here, feels like. And I was gonna go check the Astro Orbiter line. I don't think I'm gonna ride it because it's probably gonna be longer than I want to wait, because I believe I'm going to Epcot tonight. So I'm gonna just have a quick look, and then if it's long, I might just take you guys back with me. Oh my gosh, it's the chipmunks. Look at them. How random, they're heading home. They got all their space stuff out. The chipmunks of the future. How fun. Astro Orbiter. It says it says 35. I'm gonna go ahead and head home. So I'm gonna take you out of the park with me, and then we'll ride that monorail together for one last trip back to the TTC. Just walking by the castle, thought it was a pretty cool view. I actually walked by, there was a photo pass person while walking out tomorrow, and her name was Nicole. She's from Orlando, and she was taking my photos. She loved my Freddy Fazbear bag, so we ended up talking about FNAF for a little while, so that was fun. So if you're a FNAF fan, she's a huge fan, go up and talk to her. It's a good time. But one of those photos is most likely going to be the thumbnail to this video, so pretty sick. We're almost there, almost to Main Street. We got the castle show going on right now. So it's fun. Not too busy. Right before walking out of the park, I want to get these last few glimpses of Christmas, because I'm sure just around the corner it's all going to be gone. So get your views with the Christmas tree and the wreaths. When we were at Studios, the Christmas music had changed to back to the regular Studios music, if you noticed that in the live the other day. So it's definitely getting closer to holiday season being over and us just going back to everyday lives here at Walt Disney World. Well, we've walked out of the park and we're heading towards the monorail. I mean, I'm not too sad today because it's been a great day. I got everything done that I wanted to get done. I got to see Tron in that cool new overlay. I even got to ride Space Mountain. So I'm psyched. I love Space Mountain. I could ride it 17 times. But I am heading onto the monorail. I'm heading home, calling it a day here at Magic Kingdom, because I believe me, Mom Shu, Dad Shu, Chris Shu, and Corbin Shu are all going to Epcot tonight to be live with you guys. I don't know what we're doing tonight, but we'll check it out. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. If you guys liked the video, hit that like button, subscribe, ring that bell so you get notified when we're doing more videos and going live like this, like we're going tonight. So again, my name is Casey, this is the Traveling Shus, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.